Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to update the YouTube TV app on your smart TV. Keeping your apps updated ensures you're getting the latest features, bug fixes, and overall best performance. So let's dive right in and make sure your YouTube TV is running smoothly. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to Roam Tech for more tech tips and tutorials. It really helps us out. Alright. So updating apps on a smart TV can vary slightly depending on the brand and operating system. We'll cover the most common methods, including those for Android TVs, Roku TVs, Samsung TVs, and LG TVs. We'll also troubleshoot some common issues.
Let's get to it. Astérisque astérisque, section 1, Android TV. Astérisque astérisque.
Okay, let's start with Android TVs. These are pretty common, and the process is usually quite straightforward.
First, navigate to the Google Play Store.
You should find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you're in the Play Store, look for the My Apps or Manage Apps section. This might be accessible through a menu icon or a dedicated tab. In the My Apps section, you'll see a list of apps that have updates available. Look for YouTube TV in that list. If it's there, select it and click the Update button. If you don't see YouTube TV in the list, it means your app is already up to date, or there might be a delay in the update reaching your device. You can also search for YouTube TV directly in the Play Store and see if an update button appears on its page. Once the update is complete, you can launch YouTube TV and enjoy the latest version.
Astérisque astérisque, section 2, Roku TV. Astérisque astérisque.
Next, let's move on to Roku TVs. Roku handles updates a bit differently. Roku typically updates apps automatically in the background. However, you can manually check for updates to make sure you're running the latest version. To do this, go to your Roku home screen. Then, navigate to Settings. In Settings, select System, and then System Update. Click Check Now. Roku will then search for any available updates for the operating system and your installed channels, including YouTube TV. If an update is available, Roku will download and install it. Your Roku might restart during this process. Once the update is complete, launch YouTube TV to see if the issue you were experiencing is resolved. Section 3, Samsung TV. Alright, let's tackle Samsung TVs now. On your Samsung Smart TV, go to the Apps section. You can usually find this on the home screen. In the Apps section, look for the Settings icon, which often resembles a gear. Within Settings, find and select Updates. You should see an option to auto-update or manually check for updates. If auto-update is enabled, your apps should update automatically. If you want to manually check, select the Check for Updates option. Samsung will scan for available updates for all your installed apps, including YouTube TV. If an update is available, it will be downloaded and installed. Section 4, LG TV. Finally, let's cover LG TVs. On your LG Smart TV, press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to the LG Content Store. This is where you can download and update apps. In the LG Content Store, look for the Apps section and then the My Apps section. Here, you'll see a list of your installed apps. If YouTube TV has an available update, you'll see an Update button next to it. Select the Update button to download and install the latest version of the app. Section 5, Troubleshooting Common Issues. Sometimes, even after updating, you might still encounter issues. Here are a few troubleshooting tips. Restart your TV. This is a classic, but it often works. Turn your TV off completely and then back on. Clear cache and data. If you're still having problems, try clearing the cache and data for the YouTube TV app. The process varies depending on the TV, but generally, you can find this option in the app settings within your TV settings menu. Reinstall the app. If all else fails, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the YouTube TV app. This can often resolve persistent issues. Check your internet connection. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet and that your connection is stable. A poor connection can cause issues with streaming and updating apps.
Asterisco asterisco, outro. Asterisco asterisco.
And there you have it. That's how you update the YouTube TV app on various smart TV platforms. Hopefully, this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or encounter any problems, feel free to leave a comment down below. We'll do our best to help you out. Thanks for watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. We'll see you in the next one.